Ready to give your Sony Xperia A1 a fresh start or unlock new capabilities by flashing custom firmware? First, gather your essential tools. You'll need your Sony Xperia A1, a compatible USB cable to connect it to your computer, and a computer running Windows. Next, download the correct firmware file for your specific Xperia A1 model from a trusted source. Make sure it's the right version to avoid bricking your device. You'll also need flashing software. Fastboot is a popular and effective choice for older Sony devices like the Xperia A1. Install it on your computer. On your Xperia A1, you'll need to enable the developer options, USB debugging and OEM unlocking. You can find these in your phone settings under developer options. If you don't see developer options, go to About Phone and tap the build number multiple times. Now, power off your Xperia A1 completely. Then, with the USB cable connected to your computer, press and hold the volume down button on your phone as you connect the other end to the phone. This will boot your device into Fastboot mode. Essential for flashing. Open your flashing software on your computer, point it to the firmware file you downloaded, then select your connected device and initiate the flashing process. The software will now transfer the firmware to your Xperia A1. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and ensure the USB connection remains stable throughout. Once the flashing is complete, your phone will typically restart automatically. You'll see the Sony logo and then the initial setup screen, a sign of successful flashing. Congratulations, you've successfully flashed your Sony Xperia A1. Enjoy the new firmware and its benefits.